Hey, good day, folks. This is another S Group Daily Review video number 66 here. Um, Last night we got our earnings. Today's a Saturday, so last night on Friday we got our earnings 0.35%. So I made $50.09, guys, on my money I've invested. So yeah, it's the end of the week. I made about 500 USD this week, guys. So it's a little bit lower than it should be, but not complaining. Gonna do a withdrawal, I think, next weekend. So I got some bills to pay and stuff. So it's all good. But anyways, I want to thank you guys for getting at me with your questions that you have about S Group. Um, we we've come a long way in this journey here. We're on day 66. So thanks for sticking with me. If you guys are new to this video, I'll make sure you click the subscribe button down below. And yeah, that way you can be subscribed to my channel. You can see all my future videos and updates and everything that I've been involved in and will be involved in the future. I'm growing my account, doing withdrawals, but I'm slowly growing. I'm at my principal is $18,803. And let me see here. I have, if I go to my investments page, let me see. So yeah, I have $327 plus another about $80 or so. So I'm just under, yeah, I guess I'm around probably 450, 460, somewhere around there. 460, 470. So just under 500 for the week because I have some bonus and stuff there, guys. So yeah, guys, I mean, if you're kind of new to S Group, it's definitely a great way to make some passive income. Um, if I show you the calculator here that we have, so for example, well, there's 22,000. For example, if you guys came in the system here, in this calculator, by the way, it's something that will be given to you when you join S Group. I do have access to the ability of sending it to you. So let's see here. So if I type in $1,000, for example, if you start off with $1,000, guys, you will, I know it's kind of dark here, you will be making $60 per month if you invest $1,000, guys. And as you see here, I don't know if I can make this lighter or not, but if you see here, it will go up. So it's $60, next month $63, next month $67, next month $70. As you see, it'll continuously go up, guys. So if you put $1,000 in there for a year, this will be worth about yeah, almost $2,000. So you make about $1,000 in about 1 year if you just leave it on autopilot, guys. So that's something to consider. I mean, there's different tier levels you can go into here. If I go underneath investments, I'll show you guys here. A couple different tier levels. Oh, we got to go to Forex. There we go. And yeah, so I mean, whatever tier level you go into with the amount of money you invest, this is what you'll be making per month. So, for example, if you invested $1,500 and it would be in USD, of course. Like this is just their own little currency, which is 1-to-1 to USD, so it's the same thing. They just switched that over. It's a new update, by the way. But you'll earn 65% of the daily earnings. They'll get 35%. So this is kind of the general level that most people, when they start off with S Group, they invest in, is in these first three areas, three investment levels. But some guys have come in and put in 5,000, put in 10,000, whatever you can, guys, because I mean, no matter what you put in here, you're going to be making money every single day, Monday to Friday, when the Forex market is open, doing trades automatically. It's all done through a computerized bot, so you don't have to do any work. You just leave your money in there and just at 8 p.m. Central Time, we all get our earnings for the day. And then after a week or 2 weeks or a month, whatever, you can reinvest all that money, or you can do a withdrawal and enjoy some of the money. You can withdraw the entire amount, or you can withdraw a small portion. See, last time I did a withdrawal, I withdrew everything but $120. So I had some extra money in my account to do the things I need to do. But anyways, guys, I'm getting near the end of my 5-minute daily review video. Just wanted to show you my progress from last night. So make sure you click the subscribe button down below so you can be notified of all my video updates, as well as click the sign up link down below, guys, and then you can sign up and be a part of this great company. All right, see you guys in the next video.